We have a wonderful news for you. Starting now on Panoramata, you can track the specific keywords your competitors have been mentioning in all their campaigns, emails, ads, and have a dedicated live feed with all the recent creatives that include that specific keyword. So let's say, for instance, amongst the brands that I'm following here, I want to track specifically all the sleep mention. I've got them here. Ads or emails, and all the recent emails sent by my competitors that contain the keyword sleep. I can have the same with clinical, all good here for the launches, tracking every mention of the keyword new, again, ads and email. Even better, those live within the list as well. So you can go here and you're able to track, for instance, within all the supplement brands, which one are recently mentioning GLP-1. And you have a dedicated live feed with every marketing asset your competitors have sent, have published with that specific keyword only. That's it for today. Bye-bye.